How to create the mockup designs like this? First, we have to create the new file and we have to import the layers like mockup layer and design layer. Then first we have to select the object. So I am going to select the object selection tool and click the object and click Ctrl plus C and Ctrl plus V to create the new layer with single object. So now we have to adjust the object. Okay. Then I'm going to the design layer. Hold Alt to clip the layer. Okay. Then we have to adjust the layer. Okay, it's okay. Then going to blend mode and click linear burn. Then right click the design. I'm going to blending option and hold the Alt and adjust the underline layer. Okay. This is the final output. Thank you.